How to fix search bar missing in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome, and if your search bar is missing, simply click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. Scroll down till you find Settings. Click on Settings. On left side you'll find Search Engine, and here simply click on Change and then select Google. After you have done that, click on Set as Default. After it's set as default, your problem will be fixed and you will find search bar in Google Chrome. This is how to fix search bar missing in Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time, thank you for watching.